Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this site can't be reached issue. You can see this about detail. Okay guys, there are many ways. I have tried many ways, but this I have got worked in only one way. This is the issue I have faced it. I'm gonna show you how to fix this, guys. Okay, for that I have faced this issue, so I have posted this video because when I'm opening Rockstar Game Launcher website, but it doesn't open for me because I'm facing site can't be reached issue. I tried many ways. I have searched in Google, YouTube. I didn't get. There said many solutions, but I didn't work at any solution. Only one solution have worked for me. So I have tried. I have posted about this work. I have posted this method. Okay, I think this method may also help you because some YouTubers only said this. No, only one or two YouTubers only said this method. So I want to say this method. Okay, just open Chrome. If you want to know about this detailedly, just visit my blog. I'll give this link in the comment section. You can check that. I'll give in description. You can check that. This 90% works. You can ask why this only 90% works. Other 10% where you can ask. Other 10% is it may be the site issue. For example, 90% if you try this method it will work. For example, even any website didn't open after doing all this work means then it will be the site issue. Maybe that site have any errors, so it may be open. That's not a computer issue. We need to wait for a few days. Okay, let's get into the post. You can see how. Okay, for that you need to open search bar and search control panel. You can get here control panel, click on open. After opening here network and then click on that. Now you can go to network and sharing. Come here to change adapter settings. Click on Wi-Fi. Sorry guys, you need right click. Go to properties. You can see here internet protocol version. Click on that. Click on properties. And maybe some of them will be blank or some of the numbers will be filled. This code you should type 888 in first four. You need to write 4 times 8 in first line, and second line you should type 2 times 8 and 2 times 4. Okay, this is the actual code which works. Okay, I have many codes there, but that's not where this code works. Okay, now click on OK. Click on close. Click on close everything. Every tab's close. Now go to Chrome. For example, you can go into Rockstar Game Launcher. Okay, click on social web Rockstar Game Launcher. This site only I didn't get to work, so I'm gonna check this site. Okay, it's loading. Okay guys, the website is working, completely working. No issues. You can download. Everything is working. First, before that, this now it works. Before a few days, it didn't work. I have used this method, guys. I think it's helpful for you. Thank you. We can meet in our next post. Till then, thank you and bye bye. Thank you, guys.